How to clear cache in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove all the temporary files. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. Now basically we're in this app info. Here on the right hand side, you'll be able to see clear data. Simply tap on clear data. Here there are two different options. Clear all data or clear cache. Now simply tap on clear cache and tap on OK. So it will take some time. Now all the temporary files has been removed. Now it will be refreshed and there won't be any lags in the app too. Now you can restart the app and you're all ready to go. Now you can easily stream and watch others too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.